Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 41 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be looking at exercise number 58.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Exercise number 58 is again continuing on with this idea of changing the direction at different points in the scale and being comfortable moving flexibly. Think of yourself as a race car driver and you've got to navigate these turns at a very high speed. So the quicker we can get these tempos without losing control of the car is very important. So don't push the speed before accuracy. Here is exercise 58.
Oh.